everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and I'm at Best Dallas Apartments. That's my channel. Hey, I'm in a beautiful studio here at Modera St. Paul. This is a gorgeous studio here at the Modera St. Paul. This is an all-new high-rise. It just opened recently. It's really pretty. I wanted to show off this adorable studio and just how cute it is. This is a pantry that's here. I love how that looks and feels. And then it's got everything you need, a great fridge with an ice maker, really nice open shelves, all the appliances you need, and even kind of a mini island sort of that's here. So you don't need a table, you can just put some chairs there. It's also got a really cool separation because usually studios are all kind of one room, but not here. You've got a nice kind of separator half wall that separates the living and then the dining areas, or the kitchen areas, actually the bedroom areas. So the bedroom area is right here, so you can have kind of your bed somewhat hidden, and then your living room area is over here. So you've got that, and then the bathroom is here. It's adorable. It's got beautiful lights around the mirrors, and then it's got a great walk-in shower, and just so much to love in here. Here's the closets with that washer dryer. This is an adorable studio in downtown Dallas. I think you should take a look at it. If you're ready to see it, what I'd like you to do is send me a text to the number below. We can set up a personalized virtual tour of this studio, of other studios in downtown Dallas or uptown Dallas, and then do them all the same day. You can do it as early as today or the next day. And we can also do an in-person tour as well. So if you're in town and you're looking today, hey, send me a text. I'll get that set up for you right away. It's part of our 100% free service. I'll get you the best deal always. I'll save you time and money and make sure that you have the perfect apartment here in Dallas. Hey, send that text below. Look forward to hearing from you. We've got another place to see here. It's a 2-bedroom. We're going to go see that right now.